Hi everybody! Vector objects are designed to be infinitely scalable. But when you import a vector object to After Effects, as you see, when you scale it up or when you zoom, you find it pixelized. By default, After Effects doesn't do that. So you should enable a feature called Continuous Rasterize. Here, these are the two vector objects. Here, the continuous rasterize. When we enable continuous rasterize in front of the vector object, there is a big difference, as you see. Now it became more clean. Without continuous rasterize, it loses a great deal of its quality. But be careful, each time you turn continuous rasterize, it will increase the preview, slow it down, and the render time will increase. So if you don't want to scale it up, or if it's okay, don't turn it on, or you will slow down the preview and increase the time of render. Another important thing here, the vector objects are inside a precomposition. Here comes another feature, which is collapse transformation. Here we have a vector objects, but this vector we precompose them. They are inside this precomposition. So if we want the precomposition to reach inside and read all the vector data from the layers inside the vector, the precomposition, we want now to click on this, which the continuous rasterize, but its name is now collapse transformation. When you click, you find that the vector object become more clean. It's the same icon, the same column, but it's called collapse transformation. When working with pre-compose, it's a collapse transformation. When working with layers, it's a continuous rasterize. So if you have a pre-composition and you want to make it scalable, more clean, you should check the continuous rasterize in front of the layer, then the collapse transformation in front of the pre-composition. That's it. Thank you very much and see you next lesson.